up to 3. Let's start the lesson about numbers up to 3.
This is the number 1. 1. 1 flower. This is the number 2. 2. 2 flowers. This is the number 3. 3. 3 flowers.
Ready? Let's practice.
Trace the number. 1.
Good going.
Trace the number. 2.
That's it.
Trace the number. 3.
Woohoo!
Find the number 3. 3.
Uh-oh.
3. Find the number 2. 2. 2.
Oops.
2. Find the number 1. 1. 1.
Cool.
Which number is different?
Oops.
2.
You did it.
Which number is different? 3.
Cool.
Touch the correct number.
Oops.
1.
Super duper.
Touch the correct number. 2.
You're doing great.
Touch the correct number. 3.
Good going.
Match each number to the correct word. 1. 3. 2.
Woohoo! Let's play a game.
Whack the moles.